Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a massive Dutch pour and we will spin it out. Consistency is important, much thicker than your usual Dutch pour. We'll be working here, that's my working space, on the spinner of Jessica Winterstrom, and that's a 80 by 80 centimeter gallery wrapped canvas. I recommend only the thick ones for better quality. That's my improvised camera stand. The natural lights are off, close to the world. Here, a previous video of mine, very important because I want to kind of create the same order of colors so they're not getting muddy, and I don't want it, especially such a big canvas, to be wasted. So wish me luck, and if you like it, leave a comment, leave a like, share. It would mean a lot to me. Bye. So hello, let me show you my improvised stand over there, camera stand. Yeah, that's what it has to get the job done. We work on that canvas, a thick one, gallery wrapped, 80 by 80 centimeter. We work with a base coat or a pillow, well, let's say base coat, as it's a Dutch pour. And this one is a latex binder and house paint. The consistency is quite thick, as you can see. Wait, let me show you. So it's still leaving an amount before it actually sinks in. So, because it has to be thicker when we work on this, because the paint's sliding around. And the paints have the same consistency as the base coat, so also quite thick, leave an amount. That's a Premier yellow. That's a Premier blue with some blue mica pigments, just cheap stuff from Amazon. That's purple and some magenta. All of them are Amsterdam. Only this one is Pebeo, iridescent gold, and also golden iridescent gold. And I think there's like a little touch of deco art, 24 karat gold. I don't think so. That's pearl white. The green, oh, this is a Winsor Newton. Some dark green, and then I mixed in some metallic green of Artist Love, just a little touch. The orange is a reflex orange with a ASO orange, and that is how's it called? A Premier red. No, how's it called? Naphtol red. Here it is. This one. Okay.
Oh.